Good morning, everybody. It's me again, Crazy Bag Lady. So back to reality. So from cute puppies last night to lots of washing today, because we spent the whole weekend puppy hunting and messing about. I didn't do my washing, so now I've got ginormous piles of washing to sort out. So we'll get some washing in. The sun is out so far. It looks like quite a nice day. Fingers crossed it'll stay nice. So it's only 8 o'clock. Everyone's gone off to work and school, so we need to crack on with our jobs. Right, so I'm just doing my makeup. Obviously this is my favourite serum. I try and show you this a lot because I know a lot of people are interested in it. Still making my way through the last bit. This is how long it lasts. It lasts absolutely ages. Well worth the £16. But what I want to say is I've had this new mascara from them. I got my mum one and I got one. They're on offer for £7. And even my mum yesterday was saying, wow, that mascara you got me is so good. And I thought, oh, I need to tell you all. So Legendary Lengths mascara is £7. And the brush, hang on, is really, really good. It's not a big fat clumpy one. It's like, hang on, can you see? It's like a thinner one. I had a Sicily mascara off Lovely Gloria, and that had like a thinner little brush like this. They're really good for separating your lashes. My mum said it didn't irritate her eyes as well, because now she's older, sometimes mascara, some of them do irritate her eyes, but she said no, it didn't irritate her eyes. It was really good. So I thought, oh, I must share it with you all. Look at the packaging. The packaging is so lovely. So £7. You can't go wrong, can you, for £7? So I'm going to use it again today. I've used it the last few days, but I'll use it again today. So if you check out my lashes, this is what I'm using. 9:25. Third cup of tea of the morning. Breakfast. So breakfast this morning, I've got porridge, low-fat golden syrup sauce and some chopped banana. So off to enjoy my little breakfast. Right, need to crack on with some jobs. I've got so many jobs to do. It's horrible. I'd rather just go out or go and look at puppies, but obviously we've got to come back down to reality and all the jobs need doing. So I've got washing up, empty dishwasher, washing the washing machine. I've got a huge ironing pile. I've just got so much to do, and my paint's in so that I can finish painting my desk, but I don't know if I've got time to fetch my paint, so I might have to fetch that tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I kind of wish I'd got it here so that I could just get on with it. But then I think, Jane, just get on with your jobs, then you can fetch your paint, then you can paint before your little Miss Puppy arrives. And I also want to say thank you for all your name suggestions. We're having serious thought to some of them, so thank you so much. Woo! Cheers, everybody! Right, so first job I'm tackling. So it's now 10:30. I've been on the phone to my mum discussing dog names. So I've done some of my ironing, but I've not quite finished it. So I've got to finish my ironing. I'm trying to get as many jobs as I can done this morning. So we might be able to nip out this afternoon. I'm not sure yet. So let's crack on with the ironing. It's hard work being this cute, isn't it, Winifred? Are you having a good morning? Hello? Have you got a new friend coming? Oh, Winifred, I've made you massive. That's it, I couldn't zoom out. Oh, you're having a good stretch. Oh, look at your sexy long legs. They're beautiful, aren't they? Yeah. Oh, you can pose. Oh, you're clever. Are you clever? Right, that's my ironing done. Now I need to put it all away. I hate housework days. They're so boring. I'm still tidying up, and my neighbour is still on his roof. You cannot believe he's about, I think he must be in his 60s or 70s. He does fasten himself down well, but it does worry me every time I see him on the roof. This is my mirror that I got the other day from the antique place. I forgot to show you. So it's like a large round mirror, and you can spin it round and tilt it and stuff. And I thought I could probably maybe paint the base if I wanted to, but then I think once I've painted the desk dark blue, this might look quite classy on it. So it's like a gold colour, and then this lovely big mirror. It's lovely. Well, I cannot believe it. We've got to 12:15. I think we need to have some dinner and then decide what else we're doing today. So I spent the whole morning ironing, washing and faffing about. Ah, there's my dinner. Looks super fancy, doesn't it? So I've got 3 of these corn thins, which is 1 point for 3 thins, which is quite low in points really, because they're quite nice. 2 slices of ham, which is 1 point, some little tomatoes and some lettuce. So I have to enjoy my little dinner. Oh, the postman's just been. So we've got wallpaper samples. So we've got like foxglove ones, and then these other pretty ones. But then also there was a little parcel from Ireland, and I opened it and I've got a present from lovely Jayne. So she sent me this card and she's put me a little present in for me and one for my mum. Oh Jayne, this is so lovely. I could feel myself filling up when I opened it. I was like, oh my god, this is so sweet, and just what a lovely unexpected little treat on a Tuesday afternoon. And it is so sparkly. I love it so much. And as you know, we just adore Ireland. We always think look of the Irish, and oh, just hoping this is lucky for everybody. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, and I'm sure my mum will absolutely love this. It's so sweet. So thank you so much. Oh, so it's now 1:25. I cannot believe how fast the day's going by. So I made myself a cup of coffee and I'm going to carry on tidying up and faffing about. I need to walk the dogs, I need to fetch some milk, so many little boring jobs. So thank you Jayne for cheering up my Tuesday. So I'm just trying on some of the jumpers that I got the other day. I cannot believe I'm only just getting around to trying them on. The weekend just went so fast. Obviously we went puppy hunting for 2 days, so I'm still playing catch up. So this was the Zara jumper I bought the other day. It kind of probably looks like I've got 2 broken arms, doesn't it? But I quite like it. I like the quirkiness. It's a bit different. I like these longer sort of cuffs. They're really cool. Yeah, I really like it. When I first put it on, I thought a bit tight around my neck, but I think you'll get used to it. It's quite nice. So yeah, jumper. I like this one. It's cool. I've kept my jumper on. It's so comfy. I've just kept it on. Winifred. So Winifred's moved beds and is now looking out the window. So lipstick of the day. So lipstick of the day today is an Avon 16-hour lip colour, and the colour is Relentless Rose, which I know lovely Catherine likes this one. It's such a lovely pink. It's quite a bright pink, but it's not like an luminous gaudy sort of pink. It's very pretty. It's a really nice colour, and this will stay on till bedtime. This won't come off till I use a wipe and get it off. So it's so nice. So lipstick of the day, Relentless Rose. Right, it's now 2:20. I'm thinking just go and walk the dogs, get out of the house for a bit, because you can spend all your time cleaning. I desperately need to hoover. There's fluff everywhere, but I thought, well, I can perhaps do that when I get back. So we're gonna go and take the dogs for a walk. Winifred, would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to go walkies? Walkies! Would you like to go for a walk? I don't think you've gone deaf, have you? Would you like to go for a walk? Hey, look, Florence would. Let's go for a walk. Winifred, why do you never want to go? So we'll go and get your coat. Get your coat and go for a walk. Walkies! I'll get a coat, that might persuade her. Winifred, come on. Come on, come in. I've been stood in the hall for ages shouting her and she still didn't come. Hey, come in. Come on. Come on, push your bottom out. That's it. Leave your cushion behind. You've got your cushion stuck with you, haven't you? Hey, going for a walk. Hey, let's get your coat on then. Oh, right, come on, let's get some fresh air. I'm so desperate for some fresh air. You know, you've been in all day. You really do feel like you need some fresh air. Let's go. We need the trivial. we're home. I bet you feel better for that walk, don't you? A nice bit of exercise. Does she good? Right, I'm in the car because I've just realised I need some potatoes to make some homemade chips for later. It is pancake day, but me and my husband are trying to be good, so I am going to make a little pancake for Ruby and probably James if he wants one, but if not, me and my hubby are not going to have one because we're trying to be good. Right, so I need to go and fetch some potatoes and milk and my neighbour's paper. Let's go. I'm back, so I've got to quickly peel these potatoes and get them boiling before I pick Ruby up off the bus. Right, I've made myself another cup of coffee. We've got half an hour till we've got to fetch Ruby. So the little fake chips that I made, I've just got to pre-boil them, so they're on the go now. But I desperately need to hoover, vacuum, whatever you call it. So I've got my shark out. Not sure how much I'll get done in half an hour, but we do need to do some. I got so far, school run has won. So let's go on school run, we'll have to finish it later. Well, that was good timing because I've pulled up and stopped and now the bus is here. Right, back where we were a moment ago, so let the vacuuming continue. I've finished my vacuuming, so I've got a bag full, of muck, so we've accomplished something today. Right, let's get these in the oven. So these are my little fake chips. So I've pre-boiled them till they're a little bit soft, put some salt on them, a bit of fry light, put them in the oven for about 40 minutes, keep turning them every so often, should be nice. The tea is underway, but I've got a little bit of ironing left from what I've tumble dried today, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to iron it and then all my ironing is done. I do actually feel like I've been ironing all day. Oh dear. Right, ironing finished. So there's my little fake chips that I've made, and then I've cooked this over the top, which is 7 points for, well, there's 2 pieces of chicken in it, so it's like 7 points for half it, so you get 1 piece of chicken and a bit of the sauce, so it's like for 2 people. So I'm just going to pour this over the top of it, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is my tea. I meant to cook some peas as well, but I forgot, so that's my little tea. Off to enjoy it. Tea was delicious, so I fed the dogs, fed myself, and now we're going to make this for like a little pudding thing for Ruby. I might try a tiny bit of one. I don't think it can be that bad, can it? So I've never used a pre-made one, so you add water to it, shake it up and put it in your pan, so let's see how it goes. Ooh, here we go, let the fun begin. The flipping fun. I'm not going to flip it, I'm just going to flip it with my little spatula thing. Right, first pancake. So we've got some real golden syrup squirt on it. I think I've had this since last year, but it's still in date. So Ruby's going to test the first one. They're not bad. Ruby says they taste really nice. So this one looks good. This one's a bit rubbery. I'm not sure what I've done to that one. Right, me one and only pancake. But I thought, sod it, it's pancake day. It's only pancake day once a year, my darlings. So I'm having a little one. It's only tiny, look. So off to enjoy it. Right, my dears. That was delicious. That was absolutely delicious. I could have probably had about 5. It was absolutely scrummylicious. So anyway, my darlings, many thanks for joining me again today. I hope you've enjoyed it. We're still working our way through dogs' names. I've never known such a difficult decision. Picking a name is actually proving harder than picking a puppy. I cannot believe how difficult it is. It has done my head in. I know it's a nice thing to have to think about, but wow, it's so hard. So thank you so much for some of your lovely suggestions, and some of them have gone in the pot for our decision. So if you do enjoy just a bit of real life, then please subscribe to my channel. Come and find me on Instagram as mrscrazybaglady. Don't forget my little website is down below if you like a mug of the day or a bag of the day. My little dogs have got an Instagram as well called Two for the Fools, and don't forget my little Avon shop is also down below if you want some mascara or some foundation or anything, the link is down below. If you spend £20, you get free UK delivery straight to your door. So I love you and leave you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.